Hi children, welcome back to Degrees of Comparison class 2. In this class, we are going to learn model 2 and model 3, how to change a sentence from positive to comparative and superlative. Children, let us understand a small concept to remember this model for a longer time. When you come to the board and see, in a class there are 40 students. Among the 40 students there are 20 boys. Out of these 20 boys, I wanted to compare their tall. When I have been comparing their tall, I found a boy called Mr. Abhi is taller when comparatively rest of the students, which means Abhi has higher degree when comparatively remaining all 19 students. Here I would like to ask a question: is there any boy among these 20 equally to tall Abhi? No. Then you have to start your positive degree with no other. Then here you try to remember, I am using noun singular. You may have a doubt, sir, there are 19 students. 19 represents plural, but how do we write noun singular? Here I am trying to make Abhi stand here, and I called student number 1 and compared. Student number 1 is not equal enough. Then I called student number 2, he is also not equal enough. Then I called student number 3. Likewise, I completed calling all 19 students. Now the comparison happens one to one, not one to many. That is the reason why we have to use only noun singular. So that is noun singular. Once we understand it is a noun singular, we have to use only singular verb. As it is a positive degree always takes as or so as. And again noun singular we need to use. If it is required, use phrase. If not, no need. So with this, let me frame a sentence taking Abhi as well as an adjective tall. Taking Abhi as well as an adjective tall. Is there any boy equal to Abhi? No. So I have to start my positive degree with no other boy, because I am taking now singular. No other boy. What is the verb I need to take? Is. No other boy is as tall. What is the first form of tall? Tall itself. As tall as. No other boy is as tall as. With whom we are comparing? With Mr. Abhi. So we have to write Abhi phrase in the class. Now this is the positive degree. Then how to write comparative degree? When I wanted to start my comparative degree, I need to start with the person with whom I wanted to compare the rest of the class or rest of the students. With whom I wanted to compare? I wanted to compare with Mr. Abhi, rest of class. Hence I need to start my comparative degree only with Abhi. Abhi is singular or plural? Singular. Then I need to take only singular verb. Abhi is taller. What is the comparative form of tall? The comparative form of tall is taller. So whenever we write comparative form, never forget to write than. So Abhi is taller than any other boy. You compare 1 to 19 with any other boy, any boy, but Abhi is taller. So we have to use than any other. As I already mentioned the concept, the comparison happens one to one, not one to many. So we have to use than any other boy in the class. In the class. Is there any other boy? No. Is there anybody else equally to him? No. He is taller than any other. Remember this. And how to write superlative degree? In superlative degree, you need to identify, is the only highest degree person in the class? Yes. He is the only person. There is no other person. Whenever we want to express the uniqueness of anything, we have to use superlative degree with only one person. Hence, Abhi is the tallest boy in the class. Remember, here whenever you find no other, we in comparative we generally use than any other. In superlative, the plus adjective form 3, the plus third form of the adjective, which means superlative form of the adjective is to be used. Let us see 2-3 examples so you can easily understand how to convert the sentences. Let us see the sentence. Amruta is the most beautiful girl in the class. The most beautiful. Is there anyone equally beautiful to Amruta in the class? No. So we confirm that this is second model of degrees of comparison. When you find the most beautiful without any comparison and giving the highest degree only to one person in the sentence, you can start positive degree only with no other. Then you start the sentence with no other. Yes, no other. We are comparing with the girls. Then no other, noun singular, as I explained. I think you noted it down. The structure, how to write the sentences from positive to comparative, comparative to superlative. No other, noun singular, that is no other girl. As girl is singular, we have to take singular. Verb, no other girl is as. No other is used only in positive degree. In positive degree, we have to write the first form of the adjective, that is positive form of the adjective, between as or between so as. Is as beautiful as Amruta in the class. No other, which means Amruta is more beautiful than any other. I explained the small concept previously, so you just recollect that concept, you can remember it for a long time. We have to start the comparative or superlative degree with the noun to whom we give highest degree. Then who is given here the highest degree? Amruta. Then you start the sentence. Amruta is more. Why do I write more? It is a comparative form. Moreover, the adjective given in the sentence is polysyllabic word. When the polysyllabic words are given, you have to write more for comparative form, most for superlative form. Amruta is more beautiful than any other, any other. Remember, whenever no other is used, you need to use than any other. Than any other girl in the class. Girl in the class. This is how you need to convert a sentence from positive to comparative, comparative to superlative. Let me explain you one more sentence in the same model so you will get more clarity. With this sentence, we will complete model 2 and then move on to model 3. Mohan is stronger than any other boy in the class. My dear students, if you find any other in comparative degree, how do you know whether it is a comparative or not? You can see the form of the adjective. What is the adjective form here? Second form is given, means comparative form. At the same time, we find the word than in comparative in all the models. If you find a word than and comparative form, immediately you understand this is a comparative degree. When the comparative degree is used with any other, you start your positive degree with no other. You have to start with your positive no other. Then no other. Once after writing no other, what is the structure that we discussed? We need to write the singular noun. What is the singular noun? Boy. No other boy is as. Immediately after writing as, we have to write positive degree form. What is the positive form of the adjective stronger? Strong. So, as strong as Mohan, as strong as Mohan in the class. Let us see the next sentence. Rewrite the sentence into superlative degree. How do you rewrite the sentence into superlative degree? Is there any boy equivalently stronger to Mohan? No. That is the reason you started the sentence with no other boy. When there is no other, he is the unique, means he is the only one. Whenever we wanted to write the unique things in superlative degree, we use only one. The reason is there is no one to compare. So that you have to take only Mohan. Then Mohan is the strongest. Mohan is the strongest boy in the class. One more point you need to remember is third form of an adjective means superlative degree. In superlative degree, you have to use always the definite article the with the superlative form of an adjective. With this, I hope you understood model 2. Here again, I am going to repeat a small concept. What is a small concept we need to understand? Same concept, we have taken 20 students of the class. Among these 20 students, there are 5 students who are equally handsome. There are 5 students who are equally handsome. Among these 5 students, there is one more student named Abhi. So, in previous model, we identified and we observed that Abhi is the only one who has higher degree. But here in this model, we find there are some people who has equal degree with Mr. Abhi. So, when Abhi and other students are equal with the quality. If you take out 5 out of these 20, we find remaining 15 students. If I wanted to compare this Abhi with remaining 15 students, who is handsome? Is it Mr. Abhi or the other 15 students? When I wanted to compare Mr. Abhi with the rest of the 15 students, who is more handsome comparatively? Abhi. Abhi is more handsome when comparatively these 15 students. If this sort of sentences are given, then how do you start your positive degree? You need to start your positive degree with very few, because Abhi is not the only one who is handsome in the class. There are some other students who are equally handsome to Abhi. Hence, you have to start your positive degree with very few. Very few. Once after writing very few, should I write noun singular or plural? Very few. 5 is a singular or plural? Plural. Hence, I need to write very few, noun plural, very few boys. Then I need to use the verb. Which verb should we use? Plural verb. Then, as first form of the adjective, as plus, then what are we supposed to do? Then the comparison is with Mr. Abhi. Hence again we need to write noun singular here, not noun plural. Remember, in the beginning we used noun plural, whereas here we are using noun singular plus phrase. So let me frame a sentence using this structure. How many boys are handsome? There are 5 boys. Instead writing 5, I am writing very few. Very few. Noun plural. So Abhi is a boy. So I am taking boys. Very few boys. Verb as boys as a plural, I need to take plural verb are. Very few boys are as. What is the adjective I have taken here? The adjective I have taken here is handsome. So very few boys are as handsome as Abhi. Here I am using again noun singular. Abhi in the class. Abhi in the class. Now, if I wanted to write comparative degree, whenever I wanted to start my comparative degree or superlative degree, try to start the noun singular. Who is the noun singular here? Abhi. Then you start the sentence with a noun singular, then verb. Once after writing verb, we have to write a to than, that is comparative form of than. Comparative form of than. Are there? When Abhi is compared with other students, Abhi is more handsome than many other students or than most other students. Remember, he is not the only handsome guy in the class. There are few students, so we used very few in positive degree. But coming to the comparative, when Abhi is compared with rest of the students, Abhi is more handsome with other students, means many other students in the class. Many other. Once after writing many other, I need to use my noun plural. Remember noun singulars and plurals, because they ask you certain times editing and correction of sentences in your examination than any other boys in the class. Now let me write a sentence using this structure. What is a noun singular here? Abhi. Then I am starting my sentence with Abhi. What is a singular verb? Is. Abhi is. Then I need to take my comparative form of the adjective. What is the comparative form of adjective? The given adjective is handsome. Handsome is a polysyllabic word or disyllabic word, means it has more than one syllable. When it has more than one syllable, in comparative form and superlative form, what are we supposed to write? For comparative form we have to write more, for superlative form we have to write most. So I am taking more. Abhi is more handsome. Handsome. When I take more handsome, is the only handsome guy? No. There are some other guys, and when he is compared with other students, he is more handsome than many other students in the class. Than many other. Once after writing many other, you have to write noun plural. Than many other students in the class. This is the answer. Now let me show you how to write superlative degree. Abhi is not the only handsome guy, because there are some other students who are equally handsome to Abhi. So he is one among them, he is not the only one. Hence we have to start our superlative degree with the noun singular. Who is the noun? We are trying to talk about Abhi. So we have to start in superlative degree noun singular, that is Abhi, verb, and then one of the A3 form, that is superlative form of adjective. Then we have to write noun plural plus phrase. Shall we answer this question? How to start? Noun singular. Whomever we want to highlight, whomever we want to discuss, with the same person, we need to start our superlative degree. So whom do you want to highlight here? We are highlighting Mr. Abhi. Then we have to start the sentence with Abhi is one of the most handsome noun plural boys in the class. So my dear students, in this model you have to understand, if a sentence is given with a very few, that is positive degree. If the sentence is given in positive degree with very few, comparative degree needs to have than many other, and superlative degree must be with one of the. Don't forget, this is very important area to be remembered. Let us see the sentence. This will help us how to rewrite a sentence from positive to comparative, comparative to superlative, and superlative to positive degree in model 3. In the examination, how do they ask you? They ask you to rewrite the sentence using as, or they may ask you rewrite the sentence using happy, or they may ask you rewrite the sentence into positive degree or superlative degree. When they ask you to rewrite the sentence into positive degree or superlative degree, being a student, what I need to do? I need to understand what is the mode of the sentence. Here there are many other. It has been given many other. I explained you, whenever you find many other in positive degree, you have to use very few. It's very important. You have to use very few in positive degree. Okay, in positive degree I used very few. Then in superlative degree, what I am supposed to use? In superlative degree I need to use one of the. Never and ever forget taking these words when you are converting a sentence from positive to comparative or comparative to superlative in model 3. So, my dear students, now the examiner is asking to rewrite the sentence using very few. When you start the sentence using very few, you have to confirm, you have a choice only to write into positive degree. Then you start your sentence very few. Very few refers and represents plural. Then you have to take only plural noun. What is a plural noun? Girls. Then I should take very few girls, or very few girls are, how are they? I need to use, once after using very few, this is positive degree. So, very few girls are as, then what is my adjective? Here the adjective is given happier. Happier is comparative form. As I am writing my sentence into positive form, I have to take only positive adjective, that is happy. As happy as. Now compulsory I need to use singular noun only. What is a singular noun here? Latha in the class. Rewrite the sentence using one of the. Rewrite the sentence using one of the. How do you start using one of the? One of the we generally use in superlative degree. When we wanted to use it in superlative degree, my dear students, I clearly explained you, in superlative degree and comparative degree, the sentence starts with the noun whomever you want to speak about or whomever you want to highlight. Whom do we want to talk in this sentence? We want to talk about Lata. Lata is our priority. So, the sentence must be started with only Lata. Then Lata is she the only happiest girl in the class? No. There are some other people. How do we know? Because she is happier than many other. So that there are some other people who are equally happy when we compare with Lata. Henceforth we need to use one of the. Lata is one of the happiest girls in the class. This is the answer of the sentence. Lata is one of the. Never forget, if you find one of the, try to write than many other. If you find then many other, try to start the sentence in positive with very few. Never and never forget this technique.